How has COVID-19 impacted the portfolio of CDOs? Despite all of the economic turmoil the virus has created, it has brought about surprising clarity to the role of CDOs. A few months back, I moderated a panel discussion in a CDAO event in Florida. There, the theme of discussion was around the relevance of the CDO role and how it continues to change and what are the challenges they are facing. Fast forward a few months. Earlier today, I moderated a panel discussion for another CDAO event, online this time. But the theme of discussion was completely different. The leaders talked about how the organizations were viewing the CDOs completely differently. So what has brought about this drastic change in a couple of months? The last 20 years, the CDO role has been evolving very slowly. And there were a lot of confusions on what the responsibilities are and where it fits into the org structure, and with the evolution of new innovative technologies and newer titles like Chief Analytics Officers, Chief Innovation Officer, Chief Transformation Officer, what is the relevance of a CDO role anymore? And people also questioned whether the CDO role should be a part of the C-suite, or should they report into the CEO, COO, or even the CTO or the CIO. And there have been varied viewpoints. And when you talk about the responsibilities, there have been two opposite sides. One is a defensive portfolio and the other is an offensive portfolio. Under defensive, CDOs are expected to play the role of data governance and managing the regulations and ensuring that clean, curated data is available for everyone internally. Whereas on the offensive side, people have been saying that maybe the CDOs should focus more on using data for innovation, for helping with the organization strategy and helping respond to market threats. But today, with COVID bringing about a digital transformation of enterprises across the industries, things have changed. So the virus has managed to do what even the strongest of leaders have not been able to do for years. So with digital transformation firmly in place, organizations are looking at CDOs to be a support and to drive a lot of the transformation efforts. They need to use data to identify which of their customers are impacted, how to identify new market challenges and opportunities. And they are expected to use data to support their employees who are working remotely. And also with other critical internal initiatives like cash flow management or managing the liquidity aspects, and even to resolve bottlenecks in the supply chain and so on. So all of these are transformative efforts. Some of these are complete new innovations where the CDOs are increasingly playing a lead role. And naturally, they are in direct conversations with the C-suite and a part of all of these discussions, many in a leadership role. So this has been the change which has happened in a very short span of time. And this is an opportunity to put organizations on a firm data-driven path and to demonstrate the portfolio for the CDOs and CAOs. What do you think? Will these trends and changes sustain, or would we revert back into the earlier scenario in a post-COVID world? By the way, the very mention of post-COVID world sounds very appealing. I look forward to when all of these things will end and things will be better again. Take care, stay safe.